Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Rao from Prima Weight Loss. If you've hit a weight loss plateau, you're not alone. It's completely normal. But here's the good news. A plateau doesn't mean that you're stuck. Today, I'll share proven strategies to help you move past all that stalling and restart your progress. So, why do plateaus happen? Your body adapts when you are eating fewer calories or following the same workout routine. Your metabolism slows, you burn less calories, and even small changes in intake can stop progress. Plateaus are signals, they're not failures. They reflect your body's natural physiological and metabolic adjustments. Let's start with nutrition. Track your intake. Unintentional calorie creep is a common culprit. Boost protein and fiber. They help to preserve muscle, increase fullness, and keep your hunger under control. Watch portion sizes and liquid calories. Yes, even healthy smoothies and snacks can sneak up extra calories that will stall your progress. Now, movement and lifestyle. Shake up your workouts, add intensity, switch up your routine, and combine strength training with cardio to challenge your metabolism. Move more throughout the day. Little things like walking, taking the stairs, or even fidgeting, known as NEAT, can add up. And don't overlook rest. Lack of sleep and high stress can raise cortisol levels and sabotage your fat loss. Here's the bottom line. Weight loss isn't always linear. Plateaus are part of the process. Focus on non-scale victories too. Are your clothes fitting better? Do you feel stronger? Do you sleep better? Do you have more energy? Those matter equally as much. If you're stuck, sometimes a simple tune-up, whether it's adjusting your diet, refreshing your workouts, or resetting your habits, can make all the difference. At Prima Weight Loss, we are here to help you break through the barriers and keep you moving forward. DM us or tap the link in our bio or in the description if you are watching on YouTube to get personalized support.